beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and I have an unboxing for y'all today. Yeah, 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 yeah. Unboxing a new brand coming at y'all today. What up, fam? Total Jessica moment right there. Sorry, not sorry. But if you would like to see what new brands I have right sitting in front of me, ready to review, so aesthetic. It is a small brand, and I love trying out smaller brands and giving them their sunlight, their little ray of shine that they absolutely deserve. Because I am a very, very, very small influencer, and we all have to start somewhere, guys. Like, we don't become these huge influencers or huge brands overnight. It takes y'all to sit down and actually watch us and take a dip in a new brand, try them out. It's like tasting out new food. If you're very passionate about makeup, it's something I absolutely adore doing, even if I have had a couple of fails. The little gems that I'm able to find for y'all and for myself makes it all worth it in this zone. So make sure y'all stick around so y'all can see what goodies I got. And what else I got to say on the video. Y'all see, y'all basically y'all already know how I am. You never know what you're going to get in just a video. Just saying. And if you don't know, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there and turn that bell right there on. That way you and your friend and your poop and your doggy and your kitty too will get notified for whenever I upload, because it's every periodically here lately, just because of my internet and mental issues, and just this internet has got my depression to the max, and I've got to push myself out of it, and y'all help me so much, more than you would ever know. So I love y'all, I appreciate y'all to the max, and I will see y'all in the video.
Oh yeah, bring you home. Yeah, come on.
Hey, my beauty squad. So I have a couple of things to run by y'all today. So it's going to be a quick unboxing of a couple of things. First and foremost, let's get rid of the elephant in the room. Y'all do see my little dangling LED lights. They are called curtain string lights by Twinkle Star. You can't find these on Amazon. They're really affordable, really nice. They go from my ceiling all the way to the floor. Let me show you the ceiling. But I am in a, sorry, I didn't mean to jar y'all. I am in a major function of redoing my whole area because of items that I prior owned it's not equipped for the area I'm at now, and it needs a massive organization. Bad. So slowly but surely, certain things are starting to come in that I ordered. That is one. I cannot wait for everything else to come in. I do have some other things over there. I don't know if I get a chance to get to them today, because I want to keep this pretty sweet. I might just save them for the next video, because I want to show y'all everything that I got for organizing my area, just in case. I'm going to take a video of what it looks like before and then after. But there's a special brand I have been really excited to try. It is called Rebellious Unicorn. I absolutely love and adore small indie brands, because I kind of figure, I kind of put myself in that perspective, because I'm very small on YouTube. And, you know, you cannot become this great famous person or become something huge anywhere without starting somewhere. Like, everybody has to start somewhere. So even with that one person believing in your brand, that one person believing in your channel and sharing you out, like, that's the only way to grow. Only way to grow. With that being said, I saw this brand. They have around close to 4K on IG. I cannot wait. I saw so many of my beautiful friends adore them. Debbie Tom being one, Chip being another, Fat Fit Mama being another. Like, so I'm excited to try these. But look at this packaging. Look how cute. See ya. Like, I hope you know this brand. If not, like, this brand is made for you. Like, the merch is life. I have to get a shirt for Senior. See. So the first thing I am pulling out is, how cute is this bag? Yeah, no, I'm gonna save the palettes for last. So this is the card. It's Rebellious Unicorn Cosmetics Look how cute is that unicorn. Carly, I don't want to mispronounce her name, but I will leave their link down below. Of course, you already know how I roll. This was a gift. It is the Rebellious Unicorn bracelet that I love. I love little bracelets like this because I can rock these. I think I worry about them like breaking my hand out. This I did order. It was on sale. This is called Licorice. Look at this shade though. It is loose pigment. Cannot wait to try this. And everything was packaged superb. Like I had to open everything and take some of the packaging off because it was just so well packaged. This is the card. Look at this. Look at this. Jessica, thank you so much for your order and support. We are excited to see what you create with the new palettes. Rebel. I love this card. Like, I'm going to cherish this card. I think it's so freaking cute. And that's another reason why I like smaller brands. They put more personality in their stuff, you know. Because you're dealing with an individual. So, this is the first palette. And my order only came out to $37. I used Debbie Todd's discount code. Thank you, Debbie Todd. This is Slay Queen. Look at that. Like, this packaging is so pretty. This palette is screaming fall for me, but I got it in a bundle. You can't never have enough greens and yellows in your life. Just saying. Y'all know I'm all about some colors. I'm excited. This next palette is the reason why I wanted this bundle. Now, for both palettes was $35. And this was originally like $4.50. I got it for like $2.75. If I'm talking crazy, I'm sorry. One of my wisdom teeth is trying to come in. And it hurts like hell. That's why I haven't been doing a lot of lives. Other than, of course, y'all know how my Wi-Fi's been doing too. So I haven't been wanting to fight it. This is a Rejected palette. It's like a Valentine's, anti-Valentine's palette. And every time I talk or cough, I bite down right there. That tooth has to come out. This is Meh, No Way, Hate You basically, Bite Me, Loser, Single AF, Diner for One, You Wish, H8R, Be Wine, No Thanks, Drop Dead. The shades are like the names are everything. Yeah. And yes, I had to dip in it. Like, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this pigment. Tell y'all do not have to go out and spend $60 on a palette to get payoff. Yes, it's nice to splurge on yourself sometimes, or just because, you know, you see other people get it, you think you have to have it. But I'm telling y'all, like, look at this. Make sure y'all check her out and let her know your girl sent her. I want to show another small brand some love, some recognition where it's deserved. And I'm telling, like, I don't just go off with swatches, but they feel so nice. And I cannot wait to recreate a look with that. And that's what I'm doing right after this video. So let's hurry up and look at all the other stuff I got, because it's kind of irrelevant. So, Ulta did it again. Well, let's show you my spoiled lips. Got it every other month. I receive a spoiled lips palette. It's usually cohesive with every other month. Then it gets taken out. Like February was the month. I get it March. And then I won't get one. Charge this month. I get charged next month. And then get one for May. Type deal. Look how cute. Like, come on now. This is a controller I can fuck with. Like, I love this controller. I cannot wait to recreate this look with this. And my girl Bobby got the same one. So we are planning on doing a collab with this. I hope we get around to doing it. Me and her have been so busy. We're trying to get everything organized in our life, in our area, with our kids. Her kids are finally going back to school. Well, somewhat of school. My kids are actually going back full time now. Well, starting the 29th this month. They'll go back full time. So I did pick up some Jaclyn new products. Y'all know I don't discriminate at all. Just my name. I absolutely like every Jaclyn product I've ever had. So until I have a bad run with them, then I will continue to keep purchasing from her. Hey, I actually like this because I feel like Jessica is made for me. They did not have the middle one, so I got the light one. Y'all see this mess? Look at this mess. This is why I've got to do something with this area. So I'm hoping this works. I heard it does build up, so that's a good thing. And then the other Jaclyn product I got was this right here. It is the loose highlighter in Extra. That's the shade name. Extra AF. That's her right there. I did not get a pressed one. I do plan on getting some more. Hopefully. Hopefully. We'll see. We'll see how these two work out, and then that's whenever I'll get some more. The palette, y'all already see. That was about PR. I don't know how I got this box. I picked up some more nails. Look how freaking cute. I'm glad I got these, but in the same perspective, it's okay because I got these from, I actually got those from Dollar General. So I just got like a couple things that I bought in here. Throw it in here. Because I actually found a person on Macari that does nails. She does like handmade nails. So I've got a couple coming from her. When I purchased this, it was Women's Appreciation Day. So I was able to receive 11 products that equaled out to the value of $60 for any purchase of $60 or more. And that's what's left in here other than a couple, everything else out. That's what's in here. So let me show you the other palette I got. Y'all know I love my Urban Decay. Cannot wait to do a look with this look. I don't know why my nose wants to run right now. I ain't got no makeup on. It usually don't run until I got makeup on. But I guess it just wants to be aggravated as I'm filming. Alright, now in the little bundle, it was 11 items. These are feminine wipes. You get 7 individual wipes in there. That's good to throw in your purse anytime you're not feeling fresh. There you go. This is a detox shampoo, all hair types. Audi, however you say it. This is an Honest Beauty Magic Beauty Bam. This is apply wherever. So, dab on how much you want, anywhere you want. So, I'm not sure what to do with this other than lip gloss. I don't know. Somebody help me if you know what this is for, other than your lips. Because when I think of Bam, I think of lip balm, right? Right? Am I right? Then I have Pattern Heavy Conditioner. Hey, I love conditioners for my hair because they need them all. This is a OC Atmosphere Protect Cream Lightweight Firming Moisturizer. And this is also a primer. It says, I apply this clean skin, excellent primer for flawless makeup application. Use morning and night. And this, I mean, I don't know if this is a deluxe size or what, but it's big. Like, it's pretty big to be a little deluxe size. Yeah, I would say this is like a little deluxe size. I can see, it is nice. Like, I can't wait to try this and actually see if I like it. And that way, if I do, I can purchase it. Because I like primer when it has moisturizer in it. It's like a 2-for-1. This is hand sanitizer from Mega Babe. Squeaky clean. Then you have a Grande Lip Hydrating Plumper. A Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Which this right here, I'll probably end up putting in a giveaway. Because I have a big one already. 601 Styler for your hair. It shines, textured, protects. You only use a quarter size amount between heads. Apply to clean, damp, or dry hair. Mid shaft to ends. Okay. So me and y'all use very little. So that's a little decent amount. Alright. Last two, but not least, you have ColourPop Desert Days. This is a Jelly Shock eyeshadow shock, which I was excited to see this because this is a full size, so that's pretty. I like that red. And I've never used a Jelly Shock on my eyes yet. So I'm curious to see how it works out. I have two. I just received two from my PR. So, and then this is CEO 50% vitamin C brightness serum from Sunny Riley. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm really excited about that too. And yep. That's that for Ulta. Now, sorry, Mario called, and he didn't realize he called. I was like, yes, babe. And he didn't answer me. So I had to call him back. And then I was like, you called? He pocket dialed me. So, yay. Gotta love that. But where was I? About to rank some kids next? Yes. Okay, so we done do that. Okay, this is what I picked up from Walmart. I picked up some more hair bows. Which I always think hair bows with my hair. How crazy my hair is, you know? And then these are the freaking cutest. Okay, so I don't know if I actually showed these in my last video or not, but I have a skull one too that Mario did gate from me. And it's freaking cute. But it's a little pineapple. And it's lip balm. And it smells really good because this one's strawberry mango. And it's pink, so I know Mario ain't gonna do nothing with it. The skull was white, that's why he took that one. But summertime, springtime's coming. You need to keep your lips moisturized, especially if you're outside. You need to keep it moisturized all year round, but I always moisturize a little bit more in the summer because I go outside more. Then I picked these up from Dollar General. Little tall tale. I've never tried LA Girl concealers. I've heard awesome things about them, but I've never tried them. I did pick up 2 different shades. Just because I don't know if fair is going to be too fair, and that way I can kind of mix them. And they were only $2, so you couldn't go wrong. I got beige and fair. They didn't have the one in between. I really wanted the light one. But I got 2 of those now. I'm about to ring some the other things. But that is all, guys. Other than everything I've got coming for my storage problem right here, that be shortly. I am going to sit down and do a look for these palettes real quick for y'all. Not on this video per se. I'm going to let this video go by itself, and then I'll do another one. So it just takes so long to upload now. Even little videos, but a little bit less when it's a little more. But yeah. So I will see y'all in my next video. Not sure if this will be up first or my look will be up first, depending on how good I like to look. I usually pop them up maybe first if I'm really excited about it, and I'm really excited to try this brand. So you might see this after the look. Yeah, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next